Okay, let me show you how to trade on long. Let me cancel the short. So now we are trading on long. The CMP, the current market price is 0.3127. So I am predicting that this coin will pump to 0.35, and it should stop my loss when it retraces back to 0.29. So your stop loss should be lower than your take profit. So now this is my TP and my SL, So I will come down the price, I put my amount. Okay, another thing you should note again is watch the market price here. For long, this is where you should watch the market price. Then for short, this is where you should check the current market price. And there's another way to check if the coin is actually pumping. You press here. So once you press here, the chart shows up. Here is how this guy set this other thing. Okay, so you come here, the amount here, then the current market price is 0.312 blah blah blah. So you set it here, you can put 0.290, then you buy long, you confirm buy. Then here is where you should check or see the trade, and this place is where to check the price, as in your income. I entered this particular trade with a small money. If it was $5, oh my god, I don't see like $1 profit, $2 profit here right now. You can see now the trade is going. I'm watching the charts here. The trade is here and the rest. Closing position. Okay, SIBA. Okay, this is the trade right now. So I want to trade short. You understand? I want to trade short. So I'll go to sell. The market price is 0.31365. So I'll put the take profit as, put this one for me. Just the video, the thing. I'll put the take profit as it should take profit out when it gets down to 0.29. You understand? Then it should stop loss if it goes up to 0.36, because I am trading on short. So you come, you select, you put the price. Let me use small money to trade it. Then you come to buy, you come to sell short, and you sell short, confirm sell. So right now, to check how much you are getting from this trade, you click on position, and you see this place that is red, it means the trade is going against me. Once it gets green, the trade is going to your favor. Right now it is plus 0 points blah 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 here, because I entered the trade with a small money. If now big money now, the reading or don't enter here. Oh, this place now is where you see your income. You understand? So this one is for short. So let me close the position. Confirm. I'm out of the trade already.